Hey everyone, it's Bonnie and I have another Boxycharm video for you. 2 spoilers for January's Boxycharm box. Just like Boxycharm is starting the new year off right, I will be too. If you've been on my channel before, usually I have an intro, but I've been making some changes for the upcoming year. Getting rid of some, can we say, negative energy and negative people in my life to start the new year off right. So just like the screen says, changes are coming. So make sure you are subscribed and hit that notification bell if you haven't done so already. And if you could hit that like button, I greatly appreciate it. Anyways, enough with that. Let's go ahead and get on to the Boxycharm video. Okay, so just a quick rundown on what this month's regular box could be. You may have gotten the Pretty Vulgar Setting Powder or the Wonder Beauty Blush and Highlight Palette, Bodyography Pencil, the mask, and then either the Mini Straightener or the Protégé Palette, and then a Tarte Lippy in one of the 3 shades. And here's the BoxyLuxe box for this month. In addition to what's in the regular box, excluding the mask and the pencil, we will be getting the Voss palette, Luxie brushes, a mascara, Elemis cream, and that sponge. That is probably my least favorite. But we'll be also getting the Glam AF bag that includes a portable phone charger. But if you're in Canada, you will not get the charger because of the rules and regulations on shipping batteries. But instead, you'll be getting 2,000 more charms, which is like converted into $20 in the charm room. I personally rather have the charms, but that's just me. And now what you probably came here for, and that is the spoilers for January, and I have 2 of those today. And the second one is what made me have to get on here and say, I gotta tell you guys about this. It made me so excited that they're sharing this. But let's get to the first one because it was done a couple weeks ago. It was when around Thanksgiving, when Joseph and the crew did their little Thanksgiving dinner at the office. He had posted on Instagram and he had showed in the background 3 palettes. And of course, people found out what they were, and they are confirmed that we'll be getting one of the 3 palettes, and they are the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. I'll post the 3 here showing on the screen. They retail for about $36. I found them on Sephora. I hope it's better than the last one that we got from Boxycharm, which was the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 2, I believe. I'm not for sure, so don't quote me on that. But that thing hit hard pan. I've seen people say they love that. I mean, to each their own, but mine hit hard pan real quick, and I couldn't get any pigment. I don't know if it was because I wasn't experienced like I am today, but I don't know what it was, but I just did not care for it. And now onto the second spoiler that I'm so excited for. And like I said in the previous video, we're getting Tatcha, and we're getting it in January, and it is a Luminous Dewy Skin Mask, and we're getting 2 of them. I'm really excited about this. I can actually vouch for these. I had some skin issues a little while back, and I had to go to a little more expensive, more luxury skincare mask. And oh my goodness, these are like heaven. They're only $12 a piece, so they retail for $24 for the box because I'm getting 2 of them. But they are heaven. And of course, I went out to Sephora to get you guys some more information. It is good for all skin types. It's silky soft, skin fitting. It delivers a healthy drink of ultra hydrating botanical oils and extracts for a dewy glow in just 1 use. It's a solution for dryness, dullness, uneven texture, fine lines, and wrinkles. And for the dryness, dullness, and uneven texture, and with the glowy dewiness, I can vouch for that. It definitely does work for that. So yeah, that is the 2 spoilers for January. So exciting. I cannot wait for you guys to try the Tatcha. It is so good. But anyways, that is all I have for you all. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already. I will be having a lot more videos coming up, so stay tuned for that. And till my next video. Bye.